Guys, another repair video from RETROCENGO. So what happens when you buy a new computer, old retro computer, with a sys AGP graphic card that has got 8 megabytes of RAM and has a lot of graphical errors? Let me show you how to repair it. We're ready. Are you ready? Are you ready to learn so much about electronics today? This one is a flux capacitor with a built-in hammer. It's so nice. It's a must-have when you want to repair your old electronics. This one is a welding machine. This one you can cut stuff with. This one is a light. Beautiful stuff. This one is gasoline for the flux capacitor. And this board is done. It gives a lot of graphical errors, graphical glitches, but it's a beautiful card. It's a VGA card. So if I put this on eBay, I could get maybe $400 or $600 for it. So it's a very or 6,000. I'm not sure. Depends on how much an idiot wants to pay, but this one is called sys 6326 8 megabyte AGP. As you can see, it is advanced graphical picture card. Super nice, but it gives some graphical glitches. It has got the beautiful sys chip here. It has got its 8 megabytes of RAM here. It has got its BIOS chip here. I took this one out. This one out and hold up. There we go. I took it out and I cleaned the legs, and I was like, I put it in again, and it felt like, you know, how should I say it, man? When I touched the legs, the graphical errors was even worse. So I think that we have to reheat all the legs, everything, and buy new BIOS. That's the issue. So what we're going to do is, like all the other electronic geniuses say, all these legs, they have to be reheated, resoldered, so they get proper connection, because throughout the years they get bent, and when they get bend and make this sound, it's not good for the chip, you know. Oh, it's bent just a bit there. We have to have it perfect. All right, no, like this. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to reheat and we're going to recap. We're going to recap everything. So most people, amateurs, when they want to recap stuff, they cut the old caps out like this, and I mean, it's, come on, I'm over here. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so there we go. Amateurs, they do it like this, and that's not the proper way. Don't cut it like this. You will use a flux capacitor like this. Oh yes, it will pump out everything, and you will find the soldering spots here, and you will just heat them up just for a second now, and you will suck that beauty. There we go, all the way. And just for the fun of it, you will look at it. Oh, it looks nice. And the next one to the yeah, come on, and you will suck that one also, and it doesn't work, and you will just keep on sucking it. There we go, come on. And then, oh, where's the cap? The cap just fell out. Did that really happen? Let me try it again. Look at this, a cap over here, and you will do it like this, and you will heat it up, and you will suck that beauty. Yeah, come on, do it. And you will check the other side, and break on through to the other side. Yeah, look at this cap. Come on, that's the cap issue. You will just, yeah, scrape everything. Yeah, keep on sucking, doing like this, and And now you can see that the cap is, yeah, there we go, look at this. That was the issue. Now I will just recap this. And also these points, you can heat them up, but it's not a good idea because the tip is 400 degrees. So don't do it this way, okay? Yeah, it's a nice day. Yeah, don't do it like that. So that was the first part, recap. Recap is a great idea. Only amateurs cut their caps. Professional guys like us, we like to do it this way with this flux capacitor. Now, that's not the only thing. I have some other tricks I want to share with you guys. This is so irritating. It's just go away. It's so irritating with this shit. Yeah. There we go. Now it's not in the way. Yeah, beautiful. All right, trick number 2. I'm ready for it. All right. Nice. Next trick is to inspect with the light. You can see this one has got a built-in light, so you can actually inspect the RAM. You can look. Oh, how do that look? Use the light. You can actually look here. Oh, nice. All right. I inspected everything, and I'm ready. I'm ready to the next step. Now, this gasoline for the flux capacitor, you don't need to be geeky about it. Just press here and you will give a lot of this stuff here. Oh, look at this. We will reheat everything. It's gonna be so cool. Let me see here. Also here. And here at the RAM. There we go. Oh, over here. Oh, yes. It's gonna, and also on top of the RAM. This is going to be so cool. Just, I think also here. Yes, we're ready, guys. We're ready. Another neat trick. Look at this. How thin it is. It's just waste of money. You don't use that. You use something like this. It's so thick. And you'll actually. Oh yes. So the trick is, some people want to tell you that you will use something flat here. That's not the way to go. You will use this. Okay, this is the best. And then, usually you use your right hand and you are pretty accurate with the right, but that's not the way to go. You will use your left hand like this, and then you will heat up this chip. So you will, as you can see, it will smoke, and you will reheat and reconnect everything. It will smoke a lot, but the issue is these legs, they don't get proper connection, and you will just do it like this. I mean, look at this beauty. I will just proper connect everything, and then it's all stuck, and you can just heat it up this way, just here in the middle. There we go. Then you're ready. You have a lot of that goo, and then you will do it like this, and not fast. Don't do it fast. Just do it like this. Oh, look at this connection. It's just pro level chip, and I will just leave that on there. And as you can see, it will have a lot of great connection now, and the same will happen over here. I mean, you could use this thin version, but look at this. Look at how amateurish it is, guys. Look at this. I mean, it's just, you have to wait and wait. You have to waste a lot of time. Look at this. Look at this. Nothing happens. There we go. Just a bit more. Yes, a bit more. Oh wait, I know what the issue is. We're missing this. Wait, let me just put a bit. Oh, there we go. A lot of gasoline, and then we will heat everything, and it will smoke like crazy. You can do this inside. It doesn't matter. Just, it smells so nice. Damn, I'm looking good. Look at this, guys. Yes, look at this side. Isn't that just professional done? Oh wait. Oh yes. And you get the idea. You will do the same here at the top side. You can actually also just press them down. Yeah, get a lot of good connection there. Now the issue is, this side I can see that Oh, something is dropping down there. What's on my feet? Oh, it burns. It's pretty hot when you get it on your feet. My socks are melting. Yeah, all right. So now everything is just reheated. You can also reheat the backside here. Oh, that's nice. Also those legs, yeah, over here. The plastic, just melt the plastic. It will always, it's a good idea. Also here this one, I did cut this one. I mean, that was so amateur hour. Don't cut the legs. Use the flux capacitor. It has a hole here. You will just heat the hole up. There we go. Everything burns. Oh, look at this. All right, so this one is done. You will reheat the legs so they're cleaned up. There we go. And you heat your soldering iron up. Oh, yes. Okay. The next thing, the RAM. RAM is very important because this card has got 8 megabyte. And as you can see, it needs a lot of goo here on top. There we go. And then we will heat the legs up. How we do that? We just put this down, this professional, oh, yes! Super connection. Wait, we need some more. More! Yes! I mean, I should make more of these genius repair videos. There we go! And then we have to connect this RAM over here. Wait. There we go. Alright? Because this is very important. This RAM, look at this. Pay good attention now. You need a lot of flux, this stuff. Okay, and then you will bend this. But you have to do it the right way. You will bend it down, connect the next RAM. That's the main issue. That's the main issue. It doesn't have proper connection. Oh, look at this. This is professional done. Now, this RAM will have major connection down here and from there to here and there, but this one won't work. So with this solution, this card will only have 4 megabytes or oh, it has connection here now. This one will have 6 megabytes of RAM and that's about it. Oh, it's bent. Wait, I have another idea. Because when it's bent, I have another idea. You can actually... 2 seconds, guys. I have another idea. You can actually, when it's bent, you can just bend it with a hammer like this. Oh, yes. We don't need the last 2 megabytes of RAM, so we can just remove that. There we go. Oh, yes. When it's cracked in the middle, then it doesn't work. And now we don't need 1/4 of this chip, so we can do it like this. Now it's just this side of the chip is dead, but the others work. And now this card will work the proper way with 6 megabytes of RAM. I wish you all a great day out there. RETROCENGO will be back with some more repair technical videos. On the next video, I will recap my Amiga 4000. Have a great day out there. Bye!